Rufai, over to you.
Okay, let me address both sides.
Yes, please.
In spirit of balance. Balenciaga.
Yes, always balance. Yes.
The same Elrufai that President Tinubu went to Kaduna and said, I need you, Elrufai. The same Elrufai that led a consortium of governors and they said that the Supreme Court would prevail over Naira policy. Same Elrufai. The same Elrufai that help Baba answer question in Chatham ass.
Exactly.
Team sheep. Baba call Elrufai, he answer question, he shine.
Yes.
Nasiru, good one, Nasiru.
Yeah.
Same Elrufai.
They were distributing questions.
In the favor of team sheep. Nasiru pick one, answer it.
Yes, I remember that.
The same Elrufai that was front and center, moving everywhere, that I even heard that he was part of those that made the agenda and say, no, power must come to the south in the party. The same Elrufai. You see, that's why I don't take politicians seriously and I can't do politics. I will always speak the truth and say it the way it is. On the flip side of it, if Elrufai had been given minister, are we going to be hearing all of this?
Question.
If alignment and agenda, are we going to be seeing all of this? The same Elrufai that went ahead and supported President Tinubu's candidacy and everything, even answer question for Tinubu, is not the one saying Tinubu is not competent again.
That's what he said.
The same Elrufai that stood tall, that took a consortium of governors to face the minds of the CBN that time because of the Naira policy that they felt they were going to affect them. The same Elrufai that went with Tinubu on the campaign and sold Tinubu to Nigerians and says this man is going to revolutionize things. The same Elrufai that was preparing to be able to take his rightful position in the government that he fought for is now saying that same government is sold to us Nigerians. It's not an aberration, will not come in 2027.
So they are urban bandits.
So the question is, if Elrufai claims that Tinubu is a bad product now, why did he sell Tinubu to Nigerians then? So did he know it was a bad product then, or it was because he didn't get position in Tinubu's government? That's why he's changed man now.
All right.
Hope I'm able to balance.
Yes, you did very, very well. You did very well.
You said that there is a point of correction.
What was the correction?
You said that Elrufai that stood tall. Are we talking about the same Nasiru Elrufai?
Yes, he stands tall.
Okay.
Dr. Martin,
I know a different.
He's a giant.
Okay.
He stands tall.
All right.
Okay.
It's not
when we know that, the Elrufai that I know is,
all right.
he's a different person.
In-depth analysis.